Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing the 2000 Harley Davidson, just kind of giving you an idea of the paint. You know, looks good from 10 feet, but it's hard to see. There is some hazing up in here, typical Ford. I'm sure from down south you realize that. Lighter scratches, here's a couple. No, that's just one's lighter scratch right there. Thought I seen some in here when I washed it. Some lighter scratches, you know, a little bit of hazing there too. That spot where I said it's worse. Roof obviously may buff back some of it, but you can see that's typical Ford paint. So it's original paint from what I can see. There you can see how it just needs a buff. You can see it's a little fading, you know, just clear coat, and there's a little bit coming off. But I mean, just 2000 Ford paint's what it is. So pretty original. Like I said, there you can see my not a mirror shine. That's just was a characteristic of them trucks. Here you can see it's got the Harley Davidson bed mat. There's a little paint off of there. Crack on the seat. Rest seats look pretty good. Dash looks good. Back seat looks good. So I don't see need to detail. We haven't detailed it at all. So runs good. There you can see, like I told you, the odometer comes on. Now it's on, and then next time it might not come on. So, but 87,889. So hopefully that gives you a little better idea. I'll send you some pictures in this video.